got a sneak peek video, getting ready to do some trim in this beautiful home. This home builder is Pinnacle Construction, and we are going to fix the baseboards that some of the customers messed up in here because the tile guys decided to wash grout down the sink and the whole house flooded because the pipe busted. So we've got about maybe 1,000 linear feet worth of trim to repair. But I'm the guy for the job. You can see here, these whole strips down here. This bedroom got flooded as well because of this bathroom. Beautiful bathrooms, big cathedral ceilings. All the bathrooms have massive walk-in showers. Beautiful, massive walk-in closet. And guys, this isn't even a master bedroom, so we got a lot of work to do. Your laundry room, tons of cabinet space. Got a massive little bar area for wine, whatever the winery coolers down there, whatever you like. Massive kitchen. The island is massive, double oven. You know, I love what I do, guys. It's fun to be able to be part of projects, especially in nice homes like this, knowing you contributed, nice fireplace, to the well-being of this home. This is the master bedroom, massive walk-in closet. I mean, unbelievable, beautiful. You got a shower. Then you got another walk-in closet here. Probably for the sir, that's probably the missus. Automatic seat lift on the toilet. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Two toilets in the master bath. Those front doors, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is your office space over here. Nice wood floors. Nice view outside. Windows got to be replaced over there. Not sure what happened, but you can see it's cracked. Massive bathroom. Gorgeous. Super gorgeous. Then we got another little small closet here. And then this is the other bedroom. And this is just a slide out closet. I have to fix the sliding door because whoever installed it forgot to put the track in and didn't even put a handle on the door. Go figure. Probably the same guys that were washing grout down the sink. So, wow, it looks nice. This looks like wainscot paneling, no? So this is it, guys. This is the house we're gonna be working on, and stay tuned for the finished product. Again, my name is Chris with Longevity, brought to you by our proud sponsor, D&C Properties. We'll see you soon. All right, everybody, we're back. We got the final pieces of trim installed. We got our guy coming to finish up and caulk. All new trim. All those miters are clean, boy. They don't get no cleaner than that. Bathroom. You can see where the paint ripped off from the flood. So it's got to get repainted by the painters. Got all new pieces, all of our joints look good, all new hardware in the doors we installed. So we got a guy in here right now, painter, he's caulking everything. Save myself some time. What the hell? I have to say, woo, boy, you tell me how you go ahead and cut something good like that. Looks good. As I would say, we are true professionals. If you need any kind of work, anything done, obviously you can see the clients we're working with. I really don't need to pick up no more work, but I will. Let us help you change your home to something you enjoy. Again, my name is Chris, Longevity, brought to you by our proud sponsor, DNC Properties. Also, too, I want to give a shout out to our partner with Quantum Construction, LLC. Chris, thanks, buddy, for everything you've done. And it's been a pleasure with Pinnacle Homes. We are going to be moving on to our next project here soon. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a sneak peek of the house we're going to be working on right next door. Beautiful crown molding. Woo! That's how you get it done, boys and girls.